Hello everyone. In this video, we will tell you how to turn Windows into a transparent and transparent appearance. Step 2. Let's download the necessary programs for these operations from the link I provided below the video. Step 3. Let's proceed step by step. Step 4. Let's right-click on our first program and run it as administrator. Step 5. Let's check the boxes on the screen that appears. Step 6. Let's click on Install and say yes to the warning. Step 7. Our computer started again. Step 8. As the second step, we enter the Explorer folder. Step 9. We copy the fonts in the folder as they are. Step 10. We go to My Computer, click on the Windows section. Step 11. Then we click on the Resources folder. Step 12. Then we enter the Themes folder. Step 13. Right-click and copy the fonts here. Step 14. It gives an error because I copied it before. Step 15. Will not give you a warning. Step 16. Return to the desktop. Let's run the program in the video as an administrator again. Step 17. Let's click on Explorer Blue and then click on the Apply button. Step 18. Let's click on the Explorer Approval button. Step 19. Let's click on the Apply button again. Step 20. Then let's click Path, close the program, and return to the desktop. Step 21. Our sidebars and Start menu became transparent. Step 22. We have come to the last process. Let's right-click on our 7TSP GUI v0 6X program. Step 23. Let's run it as an administrator and click on the Add a Custom Pack button. Step 24. Let's upload the 7TSP Suite Rainbow zip file in our folder. Step 25. Let's click on Start Patching and say yes. Step 26. This process may take up to 5 minutes depending on the speed of your computer. Step 27. After this process is completed, when we restart our computer will appear completely transparent. Let's wait for Step 28 to finish, click Yes, and restart the computer. Step 29. Your computer restarted. We received a warning telling us that the operation was successful. Step 30. Click OK and close it. As you can see in the video, we can start using our computer with a transparent and elegant theme.